Did you know there's a vegetable so sweet, crisp, and versatile that you can eat the whole thing, pod and all? Meet Mangetout, the superfood that's been a kitchen favorite for centuries. Mangetout, a French term meaning eat everything, refers to a variety of peas known for their edible pods. These include both snow peas and sugar snap peas, which are enjoyed worldwide for their sweet flavor, crisp texture, and nutritional benefits. Unlike traditional peas, which require shelling to extract the seeds, Mangetout can be consumed whole, making them a convenient and versatile vegetable. The history of Mangetout dates back centuries, with its origins tracing to ancient civilizations that cultivated peas not only for sustenance but also for their ability to enrich the soil. Snow peas, one of the main types of Mangetout, are believed to have been grown in China as early as the 7th century, where they became a staple in various stir-fried dishes. Sugar snap peas, on the other hand, are a relatively modern development, first introduced in the late 20th century as a hybrid between snow peas and garden peas. This innovation was driven by the desire for a pea variety that combined the sweetness of garden peas with the crisp, edible pods of snow peas. Over time, Mangetout gained popularity in Western cuisine, becoming a favorite among chefs for its ability to add crunch and freshness to a wide range of dishes. The cultivation of Mangetout requires specific conditions to thrive. These peas prefer cool climates and well-drained soil, making them ideal for spring and fall planting. Unlike many other vegetables that struggle in colder temperatures, Mangetout can withstand light frosts, allowing for an extended growing season in many regions. Farmers and gardeners often use trellises or support structures to encourage vertical growth, which helps maximize yield and reduce the risk of disease. Because Mangetout plants are relatively low maintenance, they are a popular choice for home gardening, providing a rewarding harvest with minimal effort. Regular watering and adequate sunlight are essential to ensuring the pods develop their signature crispness and sweetness. Harvesting at the right time is crucial, as overripe pods can become tough and lose their delicate flavor. Typically, snow peas are picked when the pods are flat but fully developed, while sugar snap peas are best when they have a slight roundness, indicating that the peas inside have matured without becoming starchy. Once harvested, Mangetout should be consumed quickly or stored properly to maintain their freshness. Unlike dried peas, which can be kept for extended periods, fresh Mangetout have a limited shelf life, making proper storage techniques essential for preserving their quality. Nutritionally, Mangetout are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. They are rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. They also contain significant amounts of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health, as well as vitamin A, which contributes to good vision and overall eye health. Additionally, Mangetout are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Unlike some other vegetables, which lose nutrients when cooked, Mangetout retain most of their nutritional value whether they are eaten raw or lightly cooked. Their high water content also makes them a hydrating food choice, contributing to overall hydration levels in the body. The combination of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants found in Mangetout makes them beneficial for heart health, weight management, and overall well-being. They are naturally low in calories and contain no cholesterol, making them an ideal food for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Moreover, their natural sweetness makes them an appealing choice for children and picky eaters, encouraging a greater intake of vegetables. Mangetout are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, making them a staple ingredient in various cuisines around the world. In Asian cooking, snow peas are often used in stir-fries, adding a satisfying crunch to dishes featuring meat, tofu, or seafood. Their mild, slightly sweet flavor pairs well with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce, making them a popular addition to Chinese and Thai recipes. Sugar snap peas, with their plumper, juicier pods, are often enjoyed raw in salads or served with dips as a healthy snack. Their crisp texture makes them an excellent contrast to softer ingredients like avocado, cheese, or cooked grains. In Western cuisine, Mangetout are frequently included in pasta dishes, sautés, and vegetable medleys, adding both color and freshness to meals. They can be quickly blanched and tossed into grain bowls or used as a topping for soups and stews. Because they require minimal preparation, Mangetout are a convenient ingredient for busy cooks looking to create nutritious meals in a short amount of time. Additionally, their ability to retain their texture and flavor even after cooking makes them a favorite for meal prepping and batch cooking. Despite their many benefits, the commercial production and distribution of Mangetout face challenges, particularly in terms of sustainability and food waste. Because they have a short shelf life, significant amounts of Mangetout are lost to spoilage before reaching consumers. Efforts to improve storage and transportation methods, such as modified atmosphere packaging and refrigeration, have helped extend their freshness, but food waste remains a concern. Additionally, the demand for year-round availability means that Mangetout are often grown in regions with different climates and then transported long distances, contributing to their carbon footprint. In response, some consumers and chefs have turned to locally grown and seasonal produce as a more sustainable option. Organic farming practices have also gained popularity, reducing the use of chemical pesticides and promoting soil health. As awareness of environmental impact grows, the future of Mangetout cultivation may see shifts toward more sustainable methods, including hydroponic and greenhouse farming. Despite these challenges, Mangetout remain a beloved vegetable, celebrated for their taste, versatility, and nutritional benefits. Whether enjoyed in a traditional stir-fry, a fresh salad, or a creative fusion dish, Mangetout continue to be a staple in kitchens around the world. Whether you toss them in a stir-fry, enjoy them fresh, or snack on them raw, Mangetout are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Ready to explore more amazing foods? Subscribe for more.